because of global temperature rise of nearly 1 degree now, because it is much more than 0.8 degree. So it is nearly 1 degree temperature rise. This has caused by emissions, carbon emissions for over 150 years since Industrial Revolution. And that 150 years, the developed world, because of ignorance, I can give that benefit of doubt, but went ahead in a business as usual scenario without bothering about atmosphere, because nobody was knowing that such climate change happens. But now it has happened and we are suffering. We are not part of the problem. For today's 1 degree temperature rise, the cumulative responsibility of last 100 years is 30% is America, 50% is Europe and Canada and Australia and developed world, 10% is China, 3% is India, is only 3%. But our Prime Minister is passionate on this subject, and therefore he says that though we are not part of the problem, India will be part of solution, and that is the approach with which we are going ahead. So our commitment towards sustainable development is full and final, and it is reflected in every program of government. Even the budget presented by Arun Jaitley, I will call it as a green budget because of green initiatives in it. The whole Swachh Bharat ka irada kar liya humne. That Swachh Bharat concept of Prime Minister has taken root. And now, from next fortnight, I will bring in, I am changing, I have already changed all the waste management rules, be it e-waste management rules, solid waste management rules, biomedical waste management rule, hazardous waste management rule, plastic waste management rules, and more importantly, newly first time in India, construction and demolition waste management rules. So we are changing the whole waste management system in the world. That's the basis. It benefits in health, but benefits for environment. That is what we were lacking. The whole 200 million people got included into the banking system with Jan Dhan Yojana. It's also a big step in sustainable development, because ultimately we have to eradicate poverty. Yesterday we have passed Aadhaar bill in Parliament, and in Rajya Sabha also it will be passed. And what it will happen? It gives the new credibility to the system of direct benefit transfer into the accounts. The whole benefit, the leakages will go on, leakages will go, and benefits will flow.